What's up, YouTube? It's Ben, and in this video, I'm gonna tell you 6 things that I learned from billionaires. All right, guys, so watch this till the end. I'm gonna keep it nice and short. I have 6 key points that I took away from a conference that I was just at in Miami, where it was all billionaires talking about how they got successful and how they stay successful. So let me run through these 6 concepts of exactly what these billionaires do. All right, so number 1 is don't ever compromise or settle. Trust your instincts. I think the easiest way to translate this one is that you always need to trust your gut. Your instinct will tell you everything. Whether it's a bad business concept, a bad business idea, a bad move, whatever it is, an investment, something like that, trust your gut. It will never lead you in the wrong direction. And so if you always follow your gut with some intelligence, you will be on your way to success. And this is one main theme that all of these billionaires talked about: absolutely trusting your instincts, not compromising, and absolutely never settling. All right, so the second thing I learned from these billionaires is be you. All right, so this is pretty self-explanatory, but literally be yourself. Be the genuine, real you. That is what the world wants. The world does not want a fake version of you or what you think the world wants of you. The world wants the actual, real, raw, genuine you, not some BS watered down, diluted version. They want just who you are. There is no other you. There's only one you, and that's the you that's going to be really successful. If you try to be someone else that you are not, or try to mimic someone else that you're not, then you are not going to be successful. You have to be the real, genuine person that you are. All right, so number 3, never compete. Instead, dominate. All right, so this is one that I teach and preach on all the time, but it is a huge theme amongst all of these billionaires that I was hearing from on this stage. So never think about competition, just domination. That's it. Stay in your lane, do your best, and absolutely dominate. Don't worry about anything else. All of that is just gonna take up mind space that is a complete waste of your time, and it'll drain your energy. So don't think about competition. Strictly think about domination. Just do what you can do at your best level to absolutely dominate whatever you're doing in business. This also means learning how to control everything in your environment, right? So you're not competing with anyone, you're doing everything your way. Hiring, firing, making business decisions, all of that. Be an executive, right? Be an executive of your business, but your life as well, right? So just control everything, your KPIs, your output, what you do. Basically just literally dominate it, and you won't even have to compete. All right, so number 4 of what I learned from billionaires this weekend is focus on building assets that pay for your liabilities. So let me give you the easiest example in the world, right? Let's say you want a really nice car, okay? That's awesome, that's really good. You probably deserve it if you're really successful. Here's the thing though, if you make $1 million, don't go out and buy the car. Take some of your money, invest in something else that pays you, right? And then take that money, utilize the asset paying money to fund all your liabilities. Now that can be used with a car, a house, trips, vacations, whatever, all of your liabilities, right? The things that are just fun things, right? Liabilities. You need your assets to pay for those liabilities. If you focus on doing that, you can never lose. All right, so number 5 of what I learned from billionaires this weekend is to always collaborate and engage with people that are doing things bigger than you. This one is pretty straightforward. Always, always, always surround yourself with people that are doing things bigger than yourself at the current time, right? Be the dumbest person in the room, right? Not actually dumb, but be someone who can learn from people around you. Always, always be leveling up by doing that. Don't be in a room with people that know less than you. Don't be in a room with people that know the same things as you. Be in rooms, surround yourself with people that know more than you so that you can elevate. One thing that was brought up when this was brought up amongst all these billionaires is that you will never be criticized by someone that's doing more than you. You will only ever be criticized or hated on by someone that's doing less than you, not doing what you're doing, because they're projecting jealousy or doing projection of what they want to do, etc., that kind of thing. You need to be around people that are only going to never criticize you, but level you up. All right, there are so many things these billionaires said, but this sixth and last thing I want to tell you right now is to have something you've never had before. You need to become someone you've never been before. Listen, I take this as simple as it is, okay? Because this is what I have been doing. Invest in yourself. You're your greatest asset. So you need to invest in yourself. You don't know what you don't know, right? So if you want to go somewhere, you've got to understand that you don't know the map, right? Invest in yourself. Learn new things. You've got to become a different person to get to a different place that you've never been before. Listen, this goes back to the thing that everyone tells you. Everything you want is right outside of your comfort zone. That's what you need to focus on. Get outside of your comfort zone and you will become that person that you have never been before to get what you've always wanted that you've never had before. All right, guys, that's it. There's just 6 things that I learned from Billionaires this weekend, and I hopefully think that those things can attribute to your success throughout what you're doing, and I really just wanted to share those things in a really short video, just in the hopes that you can take those and run with them and have an awesome week. All right, happy Monday.